Welcome back, guys. Stay tuned on the video. We're joined in Super Royale doing solos for the new season 8. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Hope you guys like and subscribe for more daily content and stuff like that. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh my gosh, that was so close. How would I not die there? Hey, let's go! New laser gun! Oh my gosh, how the heck am I still alive? Getting shot at by like literally everyone. How am I still alive? My gosh, there's so much people here. This is actually getting insane. Please, I do not want to die now. I've gone so far. I honestly forgot about Mole Crate, so I'm gonna grab that. Yo, minigun, let's go! Minigun! This is my weapon, guys. If you guys did not know, I go off with this weapon. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Top 3 situation. I have to win this. I have to win this. There's people up there. Do I risk on? So guys, I'm gonna kill this guy. Third party. HD squad. That's my 3rd kill. 1v2, 1v2, 1v2. My gosh. No, I can't hit a single shot. Oh my gosh. I cannot hit a single shot. Of course, he has a freaking deagle and he has grenades. I'm dead. I'm so darn it. Oh my gosh. Well, that was my first match, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I make sure to like and subscribe for more content. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.